Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can block someone on Microsoft Teams. So to begin with, open up the profile of the person that you would like to block. So let's say I'll go with this poor guy, then tap at its avatar, whether you would like to go on his profile from chat group, or group chat or conference call or community, whatever. Everywhere you'll be able to tap on the view profile button, and once at this person's profile, just tap on the block content option, and as you can see, the user was successfully blocked. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.